Alright guys, we're just going to do a quick rip here with our TT02B. If you watched our last video, we got it all cleaned up. We're running with the Urgenex 5200 mAh 70C Lipos. These are best for DFs, TT01, TT02Bs, TT02s. They work great, and they're pretty cheap. They're only like, you know, I think you get a double pack when they're on sale for in the 20s. So I dropped the controller down here, so I gotta get that turned on. And we'll give it a quick rip. Now the dog bones we put in, just to let you know what we got. We got option number 1 parts all over the place. Rear dog bones, the ones that come with, they're a little funny. I have a TT02 standard dog cup on there because I lost the other one. Had to use a little spacer. I used a cigarette butt. It works, right? And we're got some option number 1 shocks on there. We're using our Dumbo, and it's a little tight for the mesh, but that's okay. It'll work in. Might have to adjust it a little. My plan is to get this for a head-to-head with Lauren and I. And the head-to-head, she'll be doing her DF03, and I'm waiting for some parts for my DF02, so figure to get this running and get it right. Now this is using a 2845 Surpass motor. And you can see it's a little coggy. That's partially me too. So I might need to go down a pinion, which will probably loosen it up some too. But she runs good. Now, like I was saying in the bench video, I did like the DF better than I did this last, but I also had the metal plate on it. I don't know if there's a reverse. Yeah, there is a reverse. But we lost all of our leaves from the walnuts in like one day, and the chickens are coming to play. But I built this car in a build battle with Mike over at RCRX, and I hope yours is running good too, bud. I know you were talking about getting it fixed. Anyway, let me check the camera and make sure it's still running. Are we still running here? Looks like it is. We'll be doing, you'll probably see, I don't know which one I'll put up first, but you'll probably see a video of the 112s. We're going to be racing the 112 WL head-to-head against the LC Racing 12B. Lauren and I will be at it, and then hopefully next week we'll get this one. You hear the mesh tight, but it works. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep this motor in this one. I'm probably going to DF02 has got to get a motor put in it, so I might leave that one brushed and then leave this one like this. This is the 28 series is actually perfect for these cars. I know everybody puts those big 36s in there. I got the pumpkin, but I don't think they're necessary. You see this thing hauling just fine. I'm not even half throttle, and I can turn the dual rate down so I can punch it more, but she's handling really good. Really good. Pretty happy with it. Whoa! So hopefully you guys are digging. Hopefully I didn't lose the battery there. Now I don't have any battery mounts on her, so I kind of just put clear tape on it, packing tape. That holds it in good enough. Those batteries are so tight, they work. But yeah, Like and subscribe, guys. Just a quick rip. Hopefully you guys enjoy. If you guys want to see any of the cars on the track, the winter's coming, so I want to get some videos in. Get some videos in while I can. But hopefully you guys like, subscribe, dig, all that. And might be doing a road trip soon. We'll get some video in a completely different landscape with any luck. And hopefully you guys will enjoy. So awesome. I really enjoy this car. And I didn't mean to sound negative about it, because it's not that it was inferior, just the DF was a little more fun at the time. Again, this Urgenex 5200 mAh. See the 12s over there. 5200 mAh. 70C Lipo with an 80 amp knockoff ESC and the Surpass Rocket 4370, which is perfect. 2845. The mesh is a little tight. Oh, look, it moved. See that? It's a good thing I checked. Anyways, I think it's running good. I'm happy. Didn't lose any dog bones. Good shakedown. So like and subscribe, guys, and see you when I see you. And be good to one another, you know? Make people smile. All right, I'll see you. Peace.